Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Man, I haven't made a video in a long time. It's been 3 weeks since I made a video. I haven't had the time and energy to make another video. I just started a new job. I was busy. I had a lot going on. But it feels good to be back on camera and to share more content with you guys because I missed you. But yeah, if you want 2023 to be the best year of your life, you have to change your mindset and you have to take actions to make it a better year for yourself. If there are things that you want to experience, like if you want a new job, if you want to travel the world, if you want to be a full-time entrepreneur, a full-time content creator, you got to start doing the work today. Whatever you want to start in 2023, don't wait until January 1st. Start today. Because if you start, you will be further along by the time the new year comes in. Yeah, you're going to go through a lot of setbacks and obstacles while you're pursuing your passion. And doing what you love isn't easy, too. It takes time, it takes work, it takes dedication, and you have to have the patience. It takes time to build up quality, talented skills to do what you love full time for a living and to give value to others with your passion. You got to keep practicing and going into the gym every single day to get good. Because if you do not practice your craft, if you do not work on your skills, if you do not keep on taking action to make your purpose expand, you will lose your talent and passion and you will not grow. Always continue to practice, always continue to take action, and always continue to learn. You're never too old for learning. There are always good quality skills that you can learn, that you can initiate into your craft, so you can inspire others to do the same, whatever they want to do. But yeah, if you want 2023 to be the best year of your life, and if you want it to be awesome, it starts by having a positive mindset. Think positive thoughts. Inquire positive affirmations into your daily routine with positive habits. Inquire positive habits into your daily routine along with positive affirmations, because if you do this 365 days, every single day out of the year, your life is going to change and expand in no time. So the first step to making 2023 the best year of your life is to think better thoughts, think positive, be open-minded. Thinking negative thoughts, thinking how this isn't going to work or that ain't going to work, that's only going to keep you where you don't want to be and keep you from reaching your full potential on getting what you want. So you want to start off by thinking positive thoughts, chant out positive affirmations. I can do this. I am talented. I have the confidence and the skills to achieve the goals that I want to achieve. I am capable to get this thing done. I am capable to live the life that I want. I am capable enough to talk to that person that I have a crush on and that I like. There's someone out there that you have a crush on that you want to get to know. Work up the confidence and introduce yourself and just get to know them. Be yourself. Don't overthink it. Just relax and be in the moment. Be yourself. And I promise you, it will turn out in your favor. Talk to this person like you've known them for years. Get to know them on a smart, intellectual level before you pursue anything romantically with them. That's the key step to being in a relationship with a person that you like. Just start off with the conversation casually, naturally, and be cool. Just be in the moment. I'm also telling myself this because I used to be pretty shy when it comes to talking to certain women that I liked back in the day. The reason why we're afraid to communicate to people that we admire or want to be with in a relationship is because we are afraid of rejection. You got to get over your fear of rejection. And you have to know that if this person is not for you, move on and find somebody else. That is the universe, or should I say God, protecting you and redirecting you to something or someone a lot better. So shoot your shot. What do you got to lose? Another step to make 2023 the best year of your life is to chant out positive affirmations, journal. I recommend journaling because when you journal, you are taking the thoughts that you have in your subconscious mind, deep in your mind, onto a sheet of paper. And you can rewire any negative belief systems that were instilled in you at a young age, because we were all programmed to live and think a certain way when we came into this earth. But you have the power and the ability to control your own life. And it's up to you to make this life the way you want it to and to live out your purpose. Inquire good habits into your daily routine. When you wake up in the morning, pray to God, thank the universe for everything that you have, be grateful for what you have. Eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water, exercise, do things that are gonna help you elevate and go to the next level, that are gonna make you healthy, that are gonna benefit you in the long run. Try reading books, try learning a new skill, do things that you never done before, be open to new things and new experiences. Have patience and only do things that you are genuinely passionate about, that you want to do. Because when you're living your life, doing what you want to do, when you're doing what you're passionate about, you are inspiring and planting the positive seed in the others' minds that they can do the same thing. And this is exactly what we need on this planet. We need more people to do what they love, what they're passionate about. They genuinely love doing what they're doing, because that's going to inspire others to take action and do what they want to do. And that will totally uplift the vibration of the planet. Do things that raise your vibration. Because the more you raise your vibration, the more you'll elevate. It'll raise the vibration of the planet, and we'll be in the higher dimensions in no time. 5D vision. Live your best life.